Okay, welcome to another English lesson. My name is Dave. I am your English teacher. So today we are going to look at 12 jobs. 12 jobs. Here are the different jobs. A waiter, a teacher, a musician, a builder, a bank manager, a paramedic, a lawyer, journalists, a policeman, a policewoman, a pilot, a shop assistant and a hairdresser. And we will talk about what these people do. Okay, so I am a teacher. We will do me in number 2, but number 1 first. First, number 1. A waiter. A waiter. Where does a waiter work? Where does a waiter work? Does he work in a library? No, he doesn't work in a library. Does he work in a restaurant? Yes, he works in a restaurant. He works in a restaurant. What does he do every day? What does he do every day? Every day, he gives hungry people food. Food. He gives hungry. Hungry people are people who want to eat. People who want to eat are hungry. And so the waiter gives hungry people food. He takes the food from the kitchen and gives it to the people who are sitting at the table. He gives the food to the people. So he gives hungry people food. What else does he do? He takes money from the people. He takes their money. He takes their money. When the people finish the food, when the people eat the food, when they finish eating the food, the waiter takes their money. Maybe £20, maybe £30, maybe £50. He takes their money. Okay? So that is a waiter. A waiter works in a restaurant. He doesn't work in a library. He works in a restaurant. He gives hungry people food, then he takes their money. Okay, a teacher. This is me. I am a teacher. So, do I work in a hospital? No, I don't work in a hospital. Do I work in a school? Does Dave work in a school? Do I work in a school? Does Dave work in a school? No, Dave works here with his board. This is my whiteboard. Dave works here. But teachers work in schools. Teachers work in schools. Or a teacher works in a school. Okay? What does a teacher do every day? What does a teacher do every day? Every day, a teacher teaches young children. And we call children at school pupils. Pupils are children at school, young children. So a teacher teaches young children, but I often teach adults. Adults are older people, older than 18 years old, older than 18, adults. Younger than 18, young children, children. And children we call pupils, adults we call students. So I teach some adults and some children, okay? I teach some adults, some older people, and some children, some younger people. What else? I write on the board, on my whiteboard. Whiteboard. This board is white. Many years ago, when I was at school, teachers used a blackboard, but now teachers use a whiteboard, and teachers write on the board, I write on the board. I write all of these words on the board. Okay? And of course, teachers work in schools, other teachers. My brother is a maths teacher. He works in a school. Okay, job number 3, a musician. Where does a musician work? Where does a musician work? Does a musician work in an office? No. A musician doesn't work in an office. Where does the musician work? The musician works on stage. On stage. It means the place where the musician plays his guitar and sings his song. That place is called the stage. He works on stage. What does a musician do every day? Every day a musician plays the guitar. Yeah, he plays the guitar. Or maybe he plays the piano. Maybe he plays the piano. Maybe he